Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the driver may be corrupted or missing error code 39. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side select device security. On right side under core isolation select core isolation details. Memory integrity you just need to turn off it, and then you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the sign solution guys. The sign solution you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this path used in my video. Just copy it and paste over here in this tab and press enter. And now on the right side you just need to right click on the upper filters and then select delete and select yes. After doing it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.